Welcome back, treasures. Today I have an unboxing for you from Inked Goddess Creations. This is the Blessifestation November 2020 Inked Goddess Creations box. This was on sale for half price at $18 since it is the November box. But I thought, let's get it and see what's inside. I also got this nice little surprise. So before we open the box, let's find out what's in the bag. Whoa. Look at this, a little thank you for your purchase. I love it. Looks like a piece of, ooh, beautiful. Looks like a piece of quartz. Blessifestation, the act of manifesting blessings. I think we could all use that. Okay, that's the contents and instructions, and we'll read that after. Ooh, a sticker set. I love stickers. I'm super excited about this. Oh, these are great. Okay. Let's see. We have a smudging stick. I see some rose petals, and it looks like sage. Yes, I think it's sage and rose. We'll see on the box. There is a lock. Big, heavy lock. And keys. There is what looks like salt, possibly, and a little moon crystal. We'll read what that is. There's a candle. Nice aqua color. A little thank you card. Blessifestation. So this looks like, oh no, that's about the box, and this is about Blessifestation itself. Ooh, look at the other side of that. The Eclectic Witch deck. That's nice. I like that. There is ametrine, citrine, and amethyst. Padlocks and keys for unlocking magical abilities. And a witch's knot spell. Cool. Okay, let's see. What's this? A little tiny scroll. Okay, let's see, that's it. Yes, okay, so what's in this tin? I like to smell things. Okay, there's a tag. some black tissue. Looks like little crystals. Some more tags and more of these little scrolls. Okay, so that all goes together. Let's put the tissue back. Okay, what do we have here? Blessifestation tin, contents and instructions. This Blessifestation tin is to be used as a new manifestation tool for you, similar to a witch bottle. The more you can visualize and put energy toward your intentions, the easier they will be to manifest. This tin is a companion to the iron and brass padlock, also included in this month's box. So these fun things go together. As a part of a larger spell or ritual, the Blessifestation tin can be used as a powerful home for your intention. Along with the other items included in this kit, you can add herbs, personal objects, and more to increase the magical energy of your manifestation. Then close the lid and allow your intention to become a reality. So there's clear quartz gemstone chips, intention tags, little scrolls, and witches knot cords. So this is the Blessifestation box, which was the November box for Inked Goddess Creations. If you're interested in that, they may still have a box or two available, so you can check that out. I will put the link in the site below. This is not a sponsored video. I just saw this box and thought it was interesting and wanted to purchase it and thought I would share this with you. If you enjoyed this video today and you're not yet a subscriber, be a treasure and hit that subscribe button below. And to see more unboxing videos, hit that playlist. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.